11x, AI reviews, features, pricing, and alternative, AnyBiz. Explore in-depth reviews of 11x.ai, highlighting its features, pricing, and possible alternatives. Get a thorough understanding of its benefits and drawbacks to help you make an informed choice. 11x.ai is an AI-driven sales automation platform that uses virtual employees like Alice to manage tasks from prospecting to closing deals, aiming to boost productivity and reduce costs. Its widespread adoption highlights its effectiveness in transforming traditional sales processes. 11x. AI automates lead management and customer engagement across multiple channels. It enhances sales operations, offers 24/7 service, integrates with CRM systems, and uses advanced analytics to refine sales strategies. This tool doesn't list prices or offer self-sign-up. Prospective customers must schedule a demo, which might be inconvenient due to the lack of a free trial or pricing transparency. 11x AI excels in lead sourcing, enhancing sales opportunities, and offers responsive support. Some users find its message generation less personalized, and outcomes vary based on implementation and circumstances. There are currently no consumer reviews for 11x AI on well-known sites like G2, Capterra, or Trustpilot. The lack of user feedback on other forums and review sites makes it difficult for potential consumers to gauge the platform's reliability and usefulness for their sales operations. Consider AnyBiz.io as an alternative to 11x AI in the AI-driven sales automation space. AnyBiz.io offers advanced AI sales agents that automate multi-channel outreach, continuous 24/7 operation, smart decision-making based on extensive data processing, and seamless integration with CRMs. Its features include personalized communication, automated email management, and tools for enhanced meeting scheduling and email deliverability. AnyBiz.io excels with its extensive features tailored for efficient and personalized B2B lead generation. Its advanced analytics and real-time data-driven strategies are ideal for fast-growing companies aiming to maintain high prospect engagement. Visit their websites to see how 11x AI can streamline your sales processes, or compare its features with the comprehensive solutions of AnyBiz.io. Exploring both will help you understand how they can enhance your company's lead generation and sales procedures. If you enjoyed this, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.